Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. So guys, we have our video on the timeline. Now suppose we want to add some speech to this video, or you have some code like me, you want to add some text to speech. For that, go to left side record and create then text to speech. Now if we click on language dropdown, as you can see there are a lot of options. And under voice we have several options too. Most of the people use Christopher for speech. Also, you can play with the pitch. Let's insert the text. Then click on preview. Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. If you think it's slow, you can just make it faster. Adjust the speed as desired. Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. 2. After you are happy with the voice Septo Media, now, as you can see on our media section, we have our audio. Let's bring it to the timeline. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.